Namaste, Khusro Bitia. My name is JVN Sachin Pratap Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Journalism. Course name Photography and Videography. Session name History of Camera. फोटोग्राफी कैमरा 18th सेंचुरी से 20th सेंचुरी के बीच आया था. बिफोर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द फोटोग्राफिक कैमरा it had been known for hundred of years that some substances such as silver salt, dark net, when exposed to sunlight in a series of experiments published in 1727, the German scientist Johnson that the darkening of salt was due to light alone and not influenced by heat or exposure to air. The Swedish chemist Carl Bilsam showed in 1777 that silver chloride was susceptible to darkening from light exposure, and that once darkened it become insoluble in the ammonia solution. The first person to use this chemistry to create image was Thomson. To create image, placed item such as leaves and insect wing on ceramic post coated with silver nitrate and export the setup to light. These images were not permanent. However, as Basewood didn't employ a fixing mechanism, he ultimately failed at his goal of using the process to create fixed image created by camera obscura. The first permanent photograph of a camera image who made in 1825 by Joseph using a sliding wooden box camera made by Charles and Vincent in Paris. Napsy had been experimenting with to fix the image of camera obscura since 1816. The photography Napsy succeeded in creating show the view from his window. It was made using a 8-hour exposure on paper coated with bitumen. Nespi called his process holography. Nespi corresponded with the inventor Louis, and the pair entered into a partnership to improve the holographic process. Nespi had experimented further with other chemical to improve contrast in his holograph, contributed and improved camera obscura design. But the partnership ended when Nespi died in 1833. Daguerre succeeded in developing a high contrast and extremely sharp image by exposing on a plate coated with silver iodide and exposing a plate against the mercury vapor. By 1837, he was able to fix the image with a common salt solution. He called the process and tried unsuccessfully for a couple of years to commercialize it. With the help of the scientist and politician François Agro, The French government acquired Dogre process for public release. In exchange, patients were provided to Dogger as well as Nepan's son. In the 1830, the English scientist Bilsam Henry Fox independently invented a process to fix camera image using silver salt. Thank you.